This is my home. Nature in North Finland is clean and unique, and the forest is full of ingredients. Kuusamo Wilderness is a place where one can still feel the true connection between man and nature. My kitchen is all about wild and locally harvested foods. When the ingredient itself is superb and fresh, it's delightful to prepare. I built a place no one has seen before that reflects my attitude. So I designed a fantastic dining experience, right in the middle of nowhere. Sitting down together is the essence of dining at Tundra. After all, a fine dinner is a profound form of communication. Together we enjoy the meal that comes straight from wild nature.